I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on. Sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all.
Hey, this shit ain't good, bro. Don't do it, bro. That's an OG right there. He don't even play that shit. So, damn, bro. Bro, he fucked up. He did it on the head, bro. He fucked up. Not the arms, the head, bro.
What's wrong with you, bro? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't
You ain't gonna say excuse me?
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you
this nigga just shit.
What you mean? No, yeah, I know.
You finna smack the shit out of him.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe positive. Get your...
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out!
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! What the fuck? Bro.
You good. Alright, y'all good. Watch out.
Yo, they got...
Oh, slide. Yo, it's a video. It's a video. And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good. Yo, slide, bro. Watch out.
The camera ran an L for that shit, bro. Like, he like slide. Like, come on, bro. This nigga is... He all the way over there, bro.
You good. Watch out. You good, bro. Hey, let's go. Yo. Come on, let's go.
I can tell these ain't fake too, bro. Like, that shit real right there, bro. You can tell, bro.
Oh, y'all tripping. Let's slide.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Damn.
Bro, get your ass off somewhere. The fuck?
Damn.
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Damn.
Weird ass shit, bro.
What y'all think about this? This shit crazy.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on somebody else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
It's, bruh. She hella drove it. I know her ass like,
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good.
Nah, you don't have to apologize. He the prankster right here, so it's just.
We was recording you the whole time.
Damn.
You was on camera.
She was on 10,
Oh
boy.
my god.
Damn, I'm sorry for that. Damn.
I understand. You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him.
Oh, hell no, boy.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all about, man?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing, man?
What you mean what I'm doing?
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Can your
What the
mama teach you
fuck?
lessons?
I can't
Yo, what the fuck? He said, hey, yo, what's up?
sneeze on you.
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you, man?
Why you getting in my space?
Because-
though?
It sound like, it's like his voice. Like, it's something about this man's voice that's really, like, making it funny.
Man, you're doing this shit to me, man? What's wrong with you, man?
It's like he already said, but he's trying to hold back. Like, what's up, man? Like, come on, man. Like, I know your mother taught you a lesson, man.
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's a
Whatever.
sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard
He's scared, though.
Okay.
He's scared. How the hell? Bro, how the hell you gonna press and then you scared? Like, you... What the fuck?
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude.
You can keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
Dude, what's wrong with you, man?
Alright, you good? Alright, are you good, bro?
Okay, this a little zesty right here. That grab, that's a little zesty, bro. You was over grabbing this man nipples. What are you doing? Yo,
No.
somebody go get that man,
Stop
bro.
touching me.
No,
Okay,
no,
okay.
no.
No, like the way he's handling him is not like, and I mean, and I don't know what his preference is because I'm not gonna judge him, but the way he's grabbing my dude, bro, That just zesty as hell, man.
Okay.
No, we not good.
All right.
We're not
Okay.
good, man.
Okay.
Hey,
You
man, I'm
good?
making it through two months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
All right. You can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do that
you.
again, man.
Okay, I'm not touching you.
Nasty.
Okay, you good though.
No more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to touch me though.
Whatever. You know, I
All
can't
right,
touch you.
stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Really?
good? Yeah, stop
Damn.
touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me.
He said that don't
wanna
mean
hurt
shit.
you.
Whatever. You ain't gonna hurt nothing, man.
All right, stop touching me.
Whatever.
All right, you good, bro.
No, that's it. That's it.
All right, you good? It's recording you. We're recording. You on camera, man. You on camera, bro. You on camera.
Why is he, bro? Why is dude look like he just got caught like a pedophile? What the fuck, bro? What?
We're recording you. It was in the sneak. Sitting down. I'm about to go get him right now. No, anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're gonna see how this goes.
Okay. You know, I wouldn't do girls because like they be causing scenes, bro, and it just get hella loud, bro, and it draws attention. But at the same time, you ain't gonna get beat up hella bad or shot. So like, really like, shit, you know.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Get your fucking sick.
Okay, look. Okay, look. Imagine you just chilling. You with your friends, y'all eating. Tell them about life and shit. Somebody come up behind you, you feel all wetness hit you. At you. And he's turn like, what the fuck? You're like, I'm sick. What will you do? Put it down in the comments. What would you do if that happened to you?
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally fucking disgusting. Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere else.
But my sneezes.
Nah, like, get the fuck. Yeah, no, bro.
My sneeze is clean though.
Nah, your sneeze is clean? Yeah, that shit. That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
That shit, bro.
I can't sneeze
That
on you?
piss me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just fuck. That's just nasty as fuck.
It look like she finna slap the fuck out of him, boy. I swear to God. Hey, when they stick them hands out, boy. you had to 6 feet distance yourself. You feel me?
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You.
Oh! Oh, that nigga! Hey, he just raised their ass up. Hey, look, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me look at the timestamp for this shit. Okay, look. Whenever.
On you, it's gonna be cool.
Let me show you something. All right? Eye contact strong. He looking her in her eye. She looking him in his eye.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You.
See that? See that right there? You see that right there? I'ma tell y'all, boy. He broke her. He broke her right there. And she was ready to risk it all. All of it. All of it. You gotta love the game, man. You gotta. Damn, how you say that phrase? You can't let the game play you. You gotta play the game. Straight like that. You gotta love it.
This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck.
Nah,
bro.
you fuck with that. You
No,
fuck with
that-
that.
no, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you could calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie, we filming you. It's a video. Yeah,
She bad as fuck though. I ain't even gonna fake it. She bad, bro.
it's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I
She bad as fuck.
apologize. Nah,
That
it
shit-
was a
no.
joke.
That
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke.
Fuck that video.
It was a video. I
No.
promise. I
Hey,
wouldn't
yeah.
sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug.
Nah, she wanna get a hug. Oh, guys, when the cameras cut off, she had hit different. I'm telling you, boy.
I
Tell
see
you.
somebody shopping. Think it's a couple. I'm gonna go.
Oh,
mess
you
with this
tripping,
couple,
gang?
y'all.
Oh, you tripping, man? You tripping, boy? Tripping.
Think they shopping.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
He finna, he finna put his ass in the chokehold for that one.
Man, you just sneeze on me, bro?
I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah,
bro.
Oh shit! Hold on.
fuck, bro?
Wait,
Man, you just sneeze on me?
he finna. Boy, look, when somebody has like this, they get ready, boy. I'm telling you.
I I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me,
Are
bro?
you good, bro?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. What you mean? Don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me.
Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro? Why are you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean I sneezed on you, bro? It's a,
Dude, and then here go this NPC right here. Dude, like, cuz you sneeze on me, the fuck?
I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good?
Hey, guys.
It's a video. We was recording you,
Hey,
bro.
guys.
Huh?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now.
Leave your store. You don't own that motherfucker.
I ain't sneeze on you, bro.
Nah, she don't own this. She don't own it. It look like they in Target or Bed and Body Works, some shit like that. Bath and I don't know how to say
So
it.
you good?
Nah, bro, you fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro?
Brody, yeah, don't give a
Yeah,
fuck. He like, nigga, you sneezed
Hey, y'all
on
too.
me.
I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
I see a girl walking.
Ooh, she
Might
bad.
Girl,
She bad.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little
Nah,
stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on
Nah,
pretty
fuck,
strangers.
That shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
Alright.
sneeze.
Nigga just fucking sneeze on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't
Fuck,
sneeze.
wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can't.
Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
What the fuck do you want?
Shit. I know that one, man. I ain't gonna say it though.
I
Yeah.
can't sneeze.
Oh, fuck no. Not on me. What the fuck?
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you, I promise. It's a little
okay.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I was him, bro, and these videos when the camera's cut, I'm going crazy. Look, I don't give a fuck. I'm going crazy. Straight like that, bro. No games, man. Fuck.
Yeah, it was a joke, I promise
For
you.
sure.
I promise it was a
Okay,
little
for
joke.
sure. That's cool.
Oh yeah, she she get away from that nigga. She like this nigga weird.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Weird though.
Nah, I apologize. Look, look, you actually look good. Like, that's why I told you it's a video.
Okay.
I get your
He
number.
risen?
I'm not gonna sneeze
Is
on
he
you.
risen?
I'm not gonna. I can get your number though.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, man. Ah. Okay. I see you, my boy. I see you. That nigga finna go crazy.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little.
Bro, I ain't gonna fake it, bro. That boy go crazy. That boy go crazy, bro. Here, let me full screen this whole a little bit. Yeah, y'all, what y'all think about the shit? Part 2 gonna come soon. I'm on Twitch streaming right now, so shit. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitch so y'all can get the full video and things of that nature. But shit, if you new to this channel and you met the end, make sure you subscribe, man. Cause we climbing. We at 735, man. I straight remember when we was at 5 subscribers, bro. Only the OGs remember that shit. But yeah, guys, I love all you guys. Kaiser Crew. It has been y'all boy, Ja X Kaiser.